Hey everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how you can create a navigation bar with these navigational links which will have you redirected to another sections of the web page. So I'm using the same layout that I've used in my previous example of sticky header. So here I have these four navigational links like the home, about, project and contact. So when I click this about, I will get redirected to about section, and same for projects and same for contact section, then again back to the home section. So how to have these navigational links? Let's create such. So let's dive into our code. So let me just remove this first and create that from scratch. So now I don't have this navigational links here. So let's create that. So first we need to have nav, then inside the nav UL, and inside the UL an li, and inside the li we need to have an anchor tag. With href would be hash, and then if we have home then we will write home, and here also home. Then we will do the same thing for other navigational links, like one for our about, and then for projects hash project, here also project, and the last one that is contact, so hash contact. So we have created our navigational links. Now we need to give this href that is home. So for the home section, the container that is having the home section, that is this one, we need to give the id same as here we have in the href. Like here in the href we have home, so the id of the home container would be the same, that is home. And same for the about, like here in href we have about. Then for the about section, the container that is containing the about section, we need to give the id as about. It means whatever we will write here in the href, it should be the same for the container of that section. Suppose let us change this and show you the change, then also it will work. So let's change this contact to hello, and let's change the container id of that contact section to hello. Previously it is contact. Now we will give the same thing. There we were having hello, here also we will write that thing, href, the id will be also hello, and let's have this instead of contact. So now also it will work. Let me show you. So I'm getting redirected to about, then project, then contact, then again back to home, project, about, contact. So yes, that's it for this video. Hope you understood how you can create navigational links. So see you all in the next one. Till then, take care.